Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, December 23rd, it's currently 8:45 p.m. There's a huge storm coming in Montreal and pretty much over Quebec in the US mostly. There's gonna be a lot of ice, lots of snow. It's really cold right now. So there's gonna be a lot of snow and a huge storm they're announcing. They're announcing power outages. Lots of them. Like in Montreal, there's a lot of them. Here, even in Varennes, there are some power outages. Luckily, not in my neighborhood, so that's really good. Except here right now, it's like all snowy. It's all ice. Like if I go to my house right here, like slippery right here. So yeah, you have to be really careful and stuff. So yeah, be really careful. Okay. So yeah, I just fell. Now I'm covered with snow. That's not good. So yeah, there's a lot of snow, lots of ice. Really, guys, if you guys are driving tonight and tomorrow, really be careful and stuff. Also, I have stuff to announce for the Ram in the live stream. I'm sorry, guys, I won't be able to do it for January 1st. So I'm gonna have to take more time, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. Also, I'm gonna be sending some of my footage to Sky the Universe, so if you want to check his video on the snowstorm or the storm, well, he'll post that video somewhere between now and like tomorrow. And yeah, guys, I don't know if I'll be making a video before the 25th, so I just want to wish you guys all stay safe during the holidays, and Merry Christmas to all of you guys, to all my viewers. I'm so glad today we reached 32 subscribers. Thank you so much. It really helps out. That's really helps out my channel. It's only been like 3 months I've been doing videos. So guys, thank you so much. If you guys really enjoy my content, can you please make your family subscribe to my channel? That would help even more. So yeah, guys, thank you guys. Stay safe during the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Really glad that you guys are watching my content. So yeah, huge storms, lots of wind, freezing to death. But there's the St. Lawrence River. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe, very safe. It's very bad out here. Stay safe. If you can, take the metro. It's even better. The underground, no problems there. So guys, stay safe. Have a great holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'll see you all then. Have a great day, guys.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here